What we're doing to the planet is only going to end one way unless people start to change how they do things. And that's not a one-person problem.
We don't just need scientists at the lab bench, we need all sorts, and we need to work together to tackle these very, very big challenges.
We're losing more species than we have done for possibly millions of years. If we're going to halt that, we really need to understand how we can live sustainably.
YESI was set up by the University of York, recognising that the world is facing a number of important and urgent sustainability challenges. We've got global climate change, biodiversity loss, and then we're a growing human population and we're generating a lot of waste. So what YESI is established to do is develop interdisciplinary solutions, recognising that we need that expertise from different disciplines to solve these complex problems that are out there.
I'm Colin Beale. I am an ecologist in the biology department, and I'm the co-theme lead with Julia Tuza of the Resilient Ecosystems theme in YESI. We're involved in coordinating work across the university, across multiple departments, to find all of the researchers in our area with an interest in resilient ecosystems, because we're in a biodiversity crisis.
I'm Julia Tuza. I work in the Environment and Geography department. In YESI, we put a lot of emphasis on getting people connecting, sharing information, and understanding the landscape of funding available. Through that information sharing, we can create innovative ideas that can actually inform global challenges and potentially the impact of the University of York on environmental sustainability.
We're trying to build a community at the interface between the science, the economics, and the social sciences of where biodiversity can go in the future. And if we manage to grow that community and sustain individuals across the university, then that's exactly what we're looking to do in the Resilient Ecosystems theme.
I'm Dr. Liz Ryler. I'm a senior lecturer and researcher in the Centre for Novel Agricultural Products. So within YESI, I'm involved in the food, water and waste theme. So it's all about how we can recover value from waste, how we can clean up the waste, how we can use resources more sustainably.
So obviously as the population's getting bigger, we're making more waste and we're requiring other things that generate waste. So food waste, agricultural waste, and obviously what goes into the sewer. And so we want to encourage people that are not necessarily scientists to interact with YESI to get those messages across.
We're bringing people from across the campus, from all the different departments, everybody we can think of all together in one room, and then we're bringing in experts to help everybody understand each other's language and bring the skill sets together so that we can produce the expertise to tackle these very, very big challenges.
I'm Pete Coventry, Professor of Environment and Health. I direct the Mental Health and Addiction Research Group. I'm also the co-lead for the Environment and Health Research theme at YESI. My research is very much focused on the environmental determinants of mental health. So we're very interested in how we can sort of harness the benefits of natural environments to improve and promote good mental health.
I'm Catherine Brookfield. I'm a senior lecturer in human geography. My background's in planning and the built environment and how that can make a contribution or be an impediment to health and well-being. Newer area of research I'm looking at is how we can retrofit housing to make them more thermally efficient, to support health and well-being, and also to address issues around reducing energy use.
What YESI brings is the ability for us to reach out to external partners and bringing those bodies together in a way that allows us to do research that matters more for policy, to make sure that our research has impact.
What we're doing ultimately is generating the evidence to inform solutions that can really make a difference from the local, national, right through to the international level. So join the YESI community by coming along to one of our events. Sign up to one of our networks, which are co-led by researchers from the Arts and Humanities, Social Sciences and Sciences. Or apply for a YESI fellowship in one of our discipline hopping, knowledge exchange or international research schemes, which are open to York staff at all career stages.
I think it's incumbent upon people like myself to do something that is more than just the pure understanding of the world, but actually get your hands dirty sometimes and engage to try and make this place a better place for our children and grandchildren ultimately.